Hi guys and welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to work our Powrtouch Motormover. Now we've got the Powrtouch Freedom Motormover fitted to our Bailey Unicorn Vigo, and I'm going to show you how to use it and how it works effortlessly with the cart jockey wheel that we have got. Link to the cart jockey wheel is up in one of the top corners, and that's a really great jockey wheel. So without further ado, let's nip outside and I'll show you firstly how to engage it onto the caravan, secondly how the controller works, and thirdly what it's like and the things that you can do with it. So without further ado, let's nip outside. Bye! So guys, the first thing you need to do is you need to engage the rollers. Next job is need to add the red key into the holder. So guys, that is the Powrtouch Freedom Caravan Motormover. That's how to use it and how to correctly manoeuvre your caravan using it. It's £799 fitted at either your local caravan dealer or a Powrtouch qualified engineer will come to your driveway or storage location and fit it for you. You get a 5-year warranty through Powrtouch, and that means you can just give them a bell, and what they'll do is they've got a friendly, helpful set of people in their offices, and they will tell you what to do if anything is wrong. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Alright, bye!